Hi everyone, it's Miss Goldman. We're starting our Eureka math lessons. It's our second week of virtual learning with this distance learning. We'll see how long we keep doing this for. Again, this is the video to go with if you missed my live teaching of this lesson. And remember, you can pause this at any time if I'm going too fast because I don't want to be wasting a lot of time of just sitting of not talking while you get your work done. And I want you to do this at your own pace, so you can pause this if I am going too fast before you see the answers. And you can also rewatch this. Again, if you are printing this out, please print it out lesson by lesson so not to waste paper. And if you are printing it out, please make sure you are posting this either through your work through Google Classroom or sending it to me in Class Dojo. Again, if you can't see all the pictures in the Google Doc, you can look at the PDF to help you that way as well. And let's begin. So for the first question, it says, complete the number sentence. Estimate to partition each strip equally. Write down the unit fraction inside each unit and shade the answer. So as you see, we have a rectangle and they partitioned it into 3 pieces. They wrote over here, it says it in words. I want you to write it as numbers, so they did 2/3. And when you see they wrote 1/3 in each box again, what you should do first, if you are doing this on paper, break this apart first. And even if you're doing it on the computer, break it apart first. And then you can either shade it and then shade it in on a computer first. And then write in the numbers so it's easy to see the numbers and you don't write over your numbers. Or write the numbers first and then shade it in around it. Either way works. So you're going to do 3/4, 3/7, 4/5, and 2/6. So take some time to do this. All right, I'm going to go over the answer. So if you're not ready, just press pause. So here you can see my answers. For A, it's 3/4. I wrote it out as numbers. Then you can see I cut the rectangle into 4 pieces. Because I was on a computer, I shaded it in first, the 3 pieces, 1, 2, 3, and then labeled all of them as 1/4. Again, for B, I did the same thing, 3/7, cut into 7 pieces, shaded in 3, and wrote 1/7 into each one. For C, it's 4/5, cut into 5 pieces, shaded in 4 pieces. For D, 2/6, I wrote 2/6 out. I shaded 2/6 of the pieces, and I had also cut lines into 6 pieces. So now I'm going to move on to the next one. If you need more time, that's okay. Just pause this video to check your work. So you can see I did the first part for us. You're going to do the second part. So it says for 2, Mr. Stevens bought 8 liters of soda for a party. His guests drank 1 liter. What fraction of the soda did his guests drink? And you can see I drew it out. What we can also do too is add in the liter. So I can say 1 liter, 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 and 1 liter. So, and then you can see you shaded in 1. I wrote my sentence, Mr. Stevens' guest drank 1/8 liters of soda. So what I want you to do is to do B, what fraction of the soda is left. So really all you have to do is what? You tell me, and then we're going to go over the answer. All right, we're going to go over the answer. If you need more time, just press pause. And here you see I wrote 7/8 of the soda was left. Again, if you put in the 1/8 up here, all you have to do is count how much is not shaded. So pretty simple, right? And you didn't even have to draw a picture. You could just subtract. You could even do, to show your work, you can do 8 minus 1 equals 7. And that's how I got 7/8 because there were 8 pieces. Right, let's go to the next slide, which is actually going to be our last problem. So for this, all you have to do is tell me the total number of equal parts. So in the circle, you can see I already did it. The total number of equal parts is 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's how many are there. Shaded is 3. 1, 2, 3. The unit fraction is 1/4 because a unit fraction for everything is 1 and the denominator of the total number of equal parts, and then the fraction shaded. So I'm going to give you some time to work on this. All right, so I'm going to go over the answers. If you're not ready, just press pause. So as you can see, there are, for A, 9 little squares. 5 are shaded, so the unit fraction is 1/9, and the fraction shaded is 5/9. And I'm getting the 5 from, I can even use the 5 from over here and the 9 from over here. For B, the total number of equal parts is 7. The amount shaded is 3. The unit fraction is 1/7, and the fraction shaded is 3/7. For C, there's 5 equal pieces, or 5 total number of equal parts. There are 4 pieces that are shaded. The unit fraction is 1/5, and the fraction shaded is 4/5. For D, there are 6 total number of equal parts. 2 are shaded. 1/6 is our unit fraction. 2/6 is our fraction shaded. And finally, for E, there are 8 total number of equal parts, and there are 8 total number of equal parts shaded. The unit fraction is 1/8, and our fraction shaded is 8/8. So that is the last problem for this. So now you are going to be doing the homework. Again, make sure you are sending this in, and hopefully I will see you live for tomorrow's lesson. And if you are needing help with anything, just let me know either through Google Classroom, email, or through Class Dojo. Bye!